siyaphenza term third term third.
So this is a maintenance vlog, and I started my vlog a bit late because I wanted to show you guys how I do my makeup and stuff, but then I was like, it's gonna be a long video and I didn't want to, you know, keep you guys long on here, so I decided to just show you the whole process and everything. So manje again like Snoopy because I'm gonna be putting on a wig. So this is a maintenance vlog, you guys. Hopefully you enjoy this mini vlog, and I love you guys so much. Chances? Happy to send us some. Fruits. And then sifake ne pineapple mfazi. Ma? Yogurt. Ungifake isithando sami. Ungifakele ne pineapple. Lokhuzana njalo watermelon pepper mfazi. Wasami peach sithando sami. Simonto kuzowenzalana. Yabona kusithando sami. Unjani sithando sami? Amta mamia ke lo bhuti lokunini ngange lo kuzoleyo ngangi athi ngiphoze ngazi awusemuhle mfazi. So I'm just eating. I'm waiting for my turn because this is my nail tech. She has a customer right now, so I'm just waiting for my turn. So I'm just eating right now. This is really good. So yeah. cute. Hi guys, this is day 2 because I didn't finish everything yesterday, so this is day 2. So for today I'm just gonna do my lashes. No, I'm not gonna do my lashes, I'm just gonna do the wig installation, and then I'll be on my way to KZN. That's my outfit. So, but I told you the time.
But I was saying
I'm going to KZN. Yeah. Okay. It's always late. Thank you. I'm joking. Why are you late?
Is it?
Why are you late?
I'm good. Good morning, morning. How's the voice? Yeah, so big man, are you? At the shop. At the salon. I'm just not at the free there. 11 up.
I decided to come and get food at Nando's. I'm so hungry, Shan. I don't wanna lie. And after this, I'll be going to the taxi. And I'll be off to Dundee, KZN. So, it's my outfit. So, yeah. You go sign down? What a okay, put on that trouble. Oh, man. But those haven't supposed to test for the morning, is that? Which one day? Because some more cap. Ngeke kuhlele futhi ningabonani.